Hi there! This is Dale Wise Reviews You Can Use. And please check out the site for other videos on appliances that you might love to have, and we demonstrate all types of things, so hey, go there and see what it's all about. Today we're going to be doing the Melitta pour-over brewing cone, which is very unique because it's totally low-tech, no electricity involved, except that you have to have hot water. But that's it, which means this is perfect for a quick cup of coffee anytime. And even if you're camping or in a cabin in the woods or what have you, all you need is hot water, which you can get over a campfire if you have to, and you can have a superior cup of coffee. And I mean that truthfully. This pour-over brewing cone just makes coffee really incredibly good. Now the first thing you have to know is it takes number 2 filters as shown right here. These are number 2 filters from Melitta, and they work great, although realistically you can use generic filters. And before you do anything, you want to rinse the filter out. Now I've rinsed this filter, and it's all wet. You can see how wet it is. That's to get rid of all the paper, any type of paper residue or what have you. And that's especially true if you're going to be using bleached white filters, and these are brown natural filters, so there isn't all that much residue left in there, but rinse them anyway. It just gets rid of anything that might disflavor the coffee. The neat thing about the cone is that the bottom here fits on many different size cups and glasses. Now this is a standard coffee mug, as you can see, fits on there great. If you have a miniature, fits on there. And we'll be using an actual glass so you can see how the process works. And of course fits on there perfectly. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pour in your coffee. And that's a couple of tablespoons right there, which might be more or less however much you want to do it. That's up to you. You know, flavor it to whatever your taste is like. The next thing is, and this is a very important step, this is called blooming the coffee grounds. Now you take your hot water and you just drizzle it over the coffee like so. And what you're doing is you're expanding the coffee grounds so that there's more surface area. And the more surface area that comes in contact with the water, the better the flavor of the coffee. And that's a very important step in these pour-over coffee brewers, because since they don't percolate or they don't drip for an extended period of time, you always want to bloom the coffee first for the maximum flavor. Now realistically you're supposed to wait 30 to 60 seconds, but we're doing a demonstration here. I just want to show you how this actually works. So once they're fully bloomed, pour in the rest of your hot water. And you can see how hot this is. You can probably see it steaming. And there you have that, and I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. And it's just running right into the glass. And look at the color of that coffee. It's beautifully brown. I mean, this is what pour-over coffee is all about. You just pour the hot water in, and it saturates the grounds and gives you a wonderful cup of coffee, as you can see. Once you're finished with the brewing process, merely do that, and I'll transfer it over to a mug, but you could put it in a kitchen sink or what have you, and there you have a wonderful cup of coffee. Now I'll take a taste here, and it might be a little hot, so forgive me, but this should be good stuff. Very flavorful, very good. This is really a good idea. And hey, Melitta pour-over coffee brewing cone. Coffee just doesn't get better than this. It's good stuff. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time. This has been Dale Y. Have a good one.